Hello to all my friends out there, and if you follow me on Instagram, you know today I was buying briefcases. This video is how I'm gonna clean my briefcases. So here is one of my briefcases, and I posted a really good video on how to do this, but I was afraid to do his technique because it was soap and water on the briefcase, and I'm not sure, last time, can you get my soapy water? So you can see my briefcases were pretty darn filthy. And so what I did was there's a tiny bit of dish soap, like a squirt in water, and I wiped my briefcase. And then I have these microfiber cloths, and I dried my briefcase afterwards. And then the last time I only used Armor All, but I think really they're a little too dirty for that. So, by watching that video, his video was how to clean Louis Vuitton briefcases. And he actually uses soap and water. Okay, on these microfiber cloths, they are great. Okay, so can you go back to here? So you can see my briefcases were really awful. Okay, and I'll show you the back. I already cleaned that. And on my briefcase, I think that's gum, but I didn't want to, get it off. And then in the thrift stores, they do this, and I don't know if it's ever going to come off. I'll attend to that later. So I took, where is that thing? Oh, I have it in my hand. I blew my briefcases out with these, and then, I wiped around the edges with these to get my briefcases pretty clean. So I was excited. I mean, it might not be spotlessly clean, but it's a lot better than it was. And so then, I can just roll this big fat mess up and throw it in the trash. Okay, and here is briefcase number 2, and I cleaned that. One thing I'm not good at is getting them open. How did I open that thing? Oh. So this one, I just took my little electronic duster thing and blew the dust out and wiped around the edges with these are great. I buy these at Dollar Tree. I use them on all kinds of things. I thought about wiping my briefcases off, but since, Okay, and here is my third briefcase. It's nice and clean. Still I hope that comes off. And so you can see my little electronic dusters work pretty good. Okay, so that was briefcase. And can you get a nice shot of my moon? Okay, now everything is moons. Moon jewelry, moon pictures. And so I want to show you my rings. I'll get them by my moon. So I was excited. And so, God bless you all.